Morning. Hi, my name is John Ernest Fernandez. I'm the Assistant Operations and Marketing Manager for BWF Philippines. Currently, you are watching one of our product information video, and on this video, we will talk about our bestseller product, Octravas Plum Delight. Now let's discuss about the features of this product. Octravas Plum Delight came from Taiwan. It is totally imported from Taiwan, and it is individually packed with this package. Each box contains 10 pieces of plum Octravas Delight. So 10 pieces of this is inside this product. For the product, this is just a fruit. This is not a tablet, not a powder, or not even a juice. So this is just a very natural fruit. Now, in terms of pricing, if you want to sell it outside or for the SRP, you can sell it minimum of 1,200. Now, if you're already a member of BWL, you can just purchase it at 1,050. For the personal R4 unit, each one box of plum is equals to 3 personal R4 unit or 3 PRU. The question that you have in mind is, what's in it for you if you take this product, this Octravas Plum Delight? Generally, we are receiving a lot of sharings, a lot of testimonials. Generally, one of the primary testimonials that we receive is that this helps in weight management. It also helps in addressing your constipation problems. It also helps somehow to alleviate your cholesterol problems. And also there are even accounts that even their sugar problems are also addressed because of this product. It's their sharing, it's their testimonial. Now, why do we have this product that can cause this a lot of effects in their body? Number one, like what I mentioned, this is a fruit. This is a plum fruit, a natural fruit from Taiwan, which is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and minerals. Aside from that, we also have probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria. Good bacteria also helps and aids in digestion in our body that can address indigestion. Aside from that, we also have a strong antioxidant coming from a Chinese tea family. We call it pu'er tea. Pu'er tea is a very strong antioxidant that can help address problems with free radicals, which is sometimes being talked about by doctors that is the primary reason why you have problems with your eyes or different parts of your body. We also have green tea in our product. Aside from a very strong antioxidant like pu'er tea, green teas can also help to strengthen your immune system. So in just one natural product, you already have a lot of these effects. So that's the benefits that is awaiting for you once you try this product. Before I forget to remind you what will happen to you after taking this plum, maybe after 4 to 6 hours of you taking this plum, for sure you'll go to your washroom and then flush out all the toxins that you have in your body. Okay? Again, 4 to 6 hours, you can go to your CR and flush out all the toxins from your body. And then after that, you can experience also a life without dieting. You can eat food that you want to eat and forget about dieting and just take plum, and you experience the one most important side effect of this product, that is losing weight. What makes this product so unique? So I'm very much excited to talk about the uniqueness of this product. Number one, it is very easy to take. I don't need to teach you how to chew, how to eat this product. All you need to do is eat this product. That's how easy to take it. That's not number one uniqueness of this product. And of course, it really tastes great because it's a fruit. So it has a taste. It has a great taste. Aside from that, we can guarantee you that this has 99.9% effective. Not just effective, it is very safe, and the effect that you are wanting from this product is fast. It's guaranteed, it's effective, and it is safe. It's 99.9% guaranteed. Aside from that, there's no competitor in the market. Why? There's a lot of colon cleansing product, but I'm assure you it can be a tablet, capsule, powder, or juice. But here, this is only available in Bestword Lifestyle, wherein you have a colon cleansing product that is a fruit. After discussing all the benefits and all the processes, the next question is, who needs this product? Basically, my answer to that is every person who needs colon cleansing, every person who needs detoxification. But let me be more specific. If you're a person who is tired of dieting, of observing a lot of procedures in dieting, this can be the product for you. If you are a person that has an irregular bowel movement, constipation, and bloated scenario, this is the product for you. And most of all, if you are a person that value your health, value detoxification, value a good health, this is the product for you. I know you're very much excited to use this product, but wait, let me walk you through how to use this product. Ideally, what we suggest is that after dinner, you take plum, and then after that, make sure that you drink 2 glasses of water, and make sure that you don't drink any acidic beverage after taking plum. What are those? It might be your coffee, it might be your fruit juice, it might be your soda. Make sure that after taking plum, you just do water intake. Now, it depends, because there are people that working on a day shift, on a graveyard shift. That's why I generally say, you do this or you take this after the meal before going to sleep, because your dinner time might be different from my dinner time. So generally, it should be a meal before going to sleep. After that meal, take the plum, okay, take the plum and then 2 glasses of water. Now, if your main goal is to lose weight, we can also suggest, if you wanted to make it faster, you can take it twice a day. But ideally, we just suggest you take this once a day, and we can already guarantee the results. There are people using this product not on a daily basis. It's just that when they eat so much, they attended a feast, they attended a party, that's the time that they take this product. Okay? And make sure that you know your schedule. Why? Because the effect of this product may hamper you from doing anything if you don't follow the right time. So if you're an early riser, this is a good product for you, so you take it after dinner. But again, if you're working on nighttime, if you have a lot of things to do at night, again, it should be the meal before going to sleep. So happy eating. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I'm sure that you're very much excited to purchase this product. Our office is always open for you for all your purchases, and for more information, feel free to log on the internet, check for ofrimax.com.sg. You can check a lot of testimonials concerning this product, and also don't forget to add us on Facebook. That will be BWLPH, and also you can check ph.bwlgroup.com for all the information that you need. So happy shopping, happy eating, and happy living.